Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. A few events going on in the station here. This is the start of the holiday weeks, the high season. So I've found something, I'm going to go and have a look at it now. Coming through the tunnel here, usual a lot of noise with a lot of kids about and a lot of snowballs being done here as well. But there's this cage which I'm going to have a closer look at in a minute. But this is drone football apparently, whatever that is, so I'll go and speak to the guy and see what he says. Just watching out for the music, but yeah, this is drone soccer. Bonjour! Where I think they've got to fly these things through the hoops. We'll see. There's quite a few of them. Right, so these are obviously amateurs. It's the clients that get to do this. They sign up for it. Damien can sign them up and they get a shot at this playing football. I don't know if it's a tournament with a final, but nearly. Could be getting a goal here. Oh, not quite. Yeah. Have a look at the drivers. Quite intense. Yeah, another goal. And a bit of a fight going on. Yes. This is the drone soccer happening behind me here. I'll have on the tail out, I'll see if I can catch a whole series. I think they do about 2 minutes or something like that. So we'll see what happens. Follow a complete game, as it were. Thanks for watching. So we've got ground control here. I take it that they're charging off of something. 8 of them. Little drones in the balls. Pretty cool. And next to this is the charge centre. Wow, that's a network of wiring. Wow, pretty cool. This is also Drone Soccer France.
Drone Soccer. Oh, this is
www.dronesoccerfrance.com.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks very much. Right, so the timer's on. For some unknown reason, my camera won't pick that up. Oh, hello. There's one gone through, 2 gone through. Oh, this one's trying to hit me. Hit me! Oh, not quite. Yeah, through. Woo!
Oh yeah!
That's kind of frantic. "30 seconds to go. 29, 28. Bit of a battle going on at the top.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alors, l'équipe numéro 11 du Grand Soccer, l'équipe numéro 11 du Grand Soccer. gauche droit. On met le bras à faire. L'équipe numéro 11, l'équipe numéro 11.
Quite an event. 2 or 3 folk round sort of pushing them back in as needed and stuff. This guy sorting out the batteries, the charge system and everything. And one thing he told me was that when they use drones for the safety stuff, you know, on the mountain, avalanche and stuff like that, searching for people. This is the company that actually trains them. Again, I'll just say drone soccer France.